Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add another Facebook account. So let's go to start. First let's go to our Facebook, then let's go to our main menu, then let's scroll down and let's go to logout. Let's press go out, and then when we are here will appear all the profiles that you have on Facebook. As you can see, I have two profiles here. If I want to add another profile on my account, let's go to use another profile here. Just write your number and password. When you do it, just click there and log in, and when you log in, finally you will log into your account, and then you will start using WhatsApp without any problem. You can select the account and start logging to your account here. So that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.